Hey guys, we're back on the channel and we're here with a massive unboxing, and we have two packages right here with us. We're gonna go straight to the unboxing. Let's see what's there in these packages. Let's go and unbox the smaller one first, right? So let's see. So what you have here is a quite good packaging actually for these two, which I was expecting it to be the two pens that I ordered on Amazon. And why I have taken this is because it's a multi-purpose pen. In this year and upcoming years, we got to be very careful with what we touch and where we go and everything like that. Hence, right at the small, like a tip over here, you find that you can use this to access your phones, your tablets, or when you're in the ATM, you can access it with this. Plus, when you rotate this and remove it, you have a pen. So you have a pen always with you so that you can put your signatures or anything when you're outside. And once you rotate this a bit more, 1 minute, here once you rotate this a bit more, what you find is a screwdriver. Well, we don't know, but it will be handy at times. Plus at the back, what you see is a very small compass, so you know where you're going. Imagine you're going out, you just want to know where's east, where's west, where's north, where's south. You have this always on you, and this is the most important thing. We have a small protection over here, so once you remove it like this, you have a small switch right over here. Once you lift this up and you remove this, you have a very good small torch, so that if it's a bit dark, you always have something with you right on you to give you a little bit of light. So the links to this will be in the description. If you guys really like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys want to buy this, well, you can go up ahead and buy it. According to me, right now, this is one of the most important things that you can have with you everywhere you go. Let it be into your offices, at home, or anywhere. This one is really important. And now let's go and have a look at what we have in this package. This is the pen, and it's really good. So let's leave this in the side and let's have a look what's there in this. This is quite big, and we all know what's there in this. Well, you want to go out, and what you do see is that your phone, especially when you have the new iPhones, right, they have a weaker sort of a battery. I am not very impressed with their batteries as such, and especially when you do have a phone which has a very small battery, well, you do see that it doesn't stay for the entire day. So here we have a very good power bank from OnePlus. So let's open this up. Here you have the OnePlus 10000Mah Powerbank, black color. Very good boxing. I really like the way they boxed it up. As you can see over here, it's written as $12.99, but we got this for 900 rupees, and that's because we had a very good you can say a discount on this, and we used it and we got this for 900 bucks. So let's open this up. Okay, that's quite a good box actually. I'm gonna save this box. Okay, I'm gonna save these boxes because I really like having these with me. It's all these memories which are important. Okay, let's see. I open this, and first thing what we do is we drag the box out, and it's wrapped around quite beautifully, as you can see over here. Beautiful wrapping. So here what you do see right on this is it has a bit of information, and if you guys really are like not wanting this anymore after you bought this? Well, it has a horrible, buyback price of rupees 5 per ton. So this is not even rupees 1. Actually, it's not even worth actually anything. So if this is not working, well, you can just leave it at your home. But what we do see in this box is, let me just have a look. Let's just remove this. We lift it up with the small, they have a smallish like a tab over here, so you can lift up the entire power bank. Let me do that. Okay, I think it's stuck. Okay, I lifted it up. I just removed it. Okay, so here what you see is we remove the wrapping, and the first thing you see over here is never settle. Very good feel. I mean, you can actually feel this never settle. It's gone into the surface, so when you see the end, you can actually feel the end. And over here it has a good sort of a texture. It feels good to the hand. And right at the back, what you do see is the OnePlus logo. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right over here you have the OnePlus logo. Well, what else do we have in the box? Let's have a look. We have a bit of a disclaimer over here that says never settle, plus the red cable club, and it's a small token or whatever. What we have here is a very small cable, and here you have the USB-A, but what we have here is the most important for those guys who think that this will have just the USB-C. It has the USB-C, plus inside, when you lift it up, it has the USB, micro USB actually. This is the micro USB and a USB-C. So it can be used for both, right? And I think it has a bit of juice. And right over here, what you do see is that it has also 2 slots, plus it is rechargeable by using a USB Type-C cable, and which you can use only this one, right? So no problem, you can use this to attach it, and you can also charge it up, so no problem in that. As you can see, just goes inside. Plus here what you do is you just leave it like this, and it does have a bit of a charge. As you can see, 1 charge. I think I haven't inserted this quite well. Let me just do it the right way. Yeah, you can see over here it has very less charge. Yeah, you can see it's almost out of charging. So let's leave it on for some charge and have a look. So guys, we've been using this power bank for the last 1 week, and we are quite heavy on our phone usage with games like Genshin Impact and me doing a bunch of research work. Well, due to this power bank, we've never had the issue of running out of juice as such. So it's quite a good buy at what we got at $9.49, and I would recommend people to go ahead and buy it. And it is one of the best that you can get on the market right now, which supports fast charging. Plus, I don't think it does warp charging for those OnePlus users, but for those guys who have an iPhone or who have a Samsung phone, well, you can get fast charging with this. So you can just go ahead and buy. The links will be in the description below. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We're back with a bang. Let's get straight to more videos and content for you guys. So show us the love by subscribing and liking, plus share our videos.